everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fanny Natasha Febriana. You guys can call me Fanny. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently studying at Theology Institute of Arabuna Bogor. Today, I want to explain to you guys about 5 tenses. Let's start it! Tenses is the simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express an action or event that occurred repeatedly. When is this tense used? When you want to state event that currently feel or do. If the subject is I, you, they, or we, the pattern is subject plus infinitive. If the subject is she, he, or it, the pattern is subject plus infinitive plus s. For the examples, I eat breakfast every morning. Negative statement, I don't eat breakfast every morning. The question, do I eat breakfast every morning? Tenses is the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense merupakan sebuah kalimat yang perubahan kata kerjanya menyatakan suatu kejadian yang sedang berlangsung atau bisa disebut juga we can imagine when we say it. Jadi, itu kejadian yang sedang berlangsung atau yang sedang kita bayangkan itu sedang berlangsung. Jadi, the present continuous tense itu sudah dimulai dan belum berakhir. The pattern is subject plus be plus verb plus ing. For the examples, Mrs. Lilian is making design of the house. Negative statementnya, Mrs. Lilian isn't making the design of the house. The question, is Mrs. Lilian making the design of the house? The third tenses is the simple past tense. The simple past tense merupakan suatu kalimat yang menyatakan, yang kata kerjanya menyatakan suatu kejadian occurred in the past. The pattern is subject plus verb to. Dan the subject plus was or were plus adjective or noun phrase or prepositional phrase. Was digunakan untuk subjek I, she, he, or it. Sedangkan were digunakan untuk you, they, dan we. For the example, I was tired. I wasn't tired. Was I tired? Tenses is the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense merupakan kalimat yang digunakan pada ketiga hal berikut ini. Yang pertama, suatu kejadian atau keadaan yang mulai terjadi di masa lampau namun masih happening sampai sekarang. Nah, terus yang kedua, hasil dari kejadian tersebut masih relevan. Dan yang ketiga, suatu kejadian yang masih dapat diulangi pada masa lampau, masa kini, dan masa yang akan datang. The pattern is subject plus has or have plus the past participle or verb 3. Example, my cousin has got married. My cousin hasn't got married. Has my cousin got married? Last tenses is the simple future tense. Seperti namanya, future, kalimat ini menunjukkan suatu kejadian yang akan datang. The pattern is subject plus will plus shall plus infinitive, and subject plus be plus going to plus infinitive. Jadi, mau apapun subjeknya, infinitifnya tidak berubah atau tidak ada penambahan s seperti the present simple. Examples, Angel is going to airport tomorrow. Angel isn't going to airport tomorrow. Is Angel going to airport tomorrow? Be going to menunjukkan suatu kalimat yang sudah pasti terjadi atau sudah terencana sebelumnya. Sedangkan will menunjukkan suatu kalimat yang belum tentu terjadi, masih abstrak. Yeah, there's the 5 tenses. Thanks for the attention. Maaf jika ada kekurangan atau kesalahan kata. Terima kasih, Tuhan Yesus memberkati. Shalom.